Alright guys, as you guys can see, here's the paperwork for the bulletproofing to let you guys know that this is no bullshit, man. This is a real bulletproof truck. As you guys can see right there, ARP studs, Ford gasket. ARP studs, Ford gasket, and he got the oil cooler. My man paid $7 grand for all that. So yeah guys, this is no bullshit, man. This is a good truck. So man, what's up YouTube? It's your boy, Country Boy, coming back at you guys with another video. Now look man, today I got a very special video for you guys, man. We went all the way to Kansas, yes, about 750 miles away from where we are right now, on the world famous Route 66 to buy a fully bulletproof truck. Apparently that's what the guy says. You can only really find out when you get there, but he said he'd take $3,800 cash. So you guys already know what's going on this channel, man. If Country Boy gets a deal like that, it's time to roll, man. I'm going to pick that up. But look man, it's about time to get to business. I'm gonna go load the truck up, load the trailer up, get all my tools, and man, we're gonna hit the road, man. So we'll see you guys there. Look in there. Is this a truck dealership? Petro? Dude, that's pretty cool, dude. Dude, that's pretty slick. Yo, we gotta go up in there. Petro? Dude, I'm bringing the camera in there. That's good footage. Petro. Yo, that's what we need.
Hell yeah. That's some Country Boy shit.
Hey. Yo. Hey, that's some Country Boy shit right there. That's what we need. Country Boy upgrades coming soon. Oh my gosh. Wonder how much that thing costs.
A lot.
Yeah, they selling stacks too? Yo, that's some real Country Boy shit. I'm gonna need them for my truck, man. Yo, I need 2 big ones coming out.
You want to be a stack?
Hell yeah.
This is what I call a truck stop.
Right, for real, for real. Dude.
Why don't you just get you one of these big ones right here?
Yeah, this is what I need. Represent. They know Country Boy coming through when they see this.
Looks like an 18-wheeler.
Dude, is that a transformer?
Looks like one. That's Optimus Prime's mother.
Yo, that's crazy, man. That's what you call riding in style right there. Towing in style.
Because we on Route 66.
Alrighty guys, we just picked up the truck, man, out here in Kansas. This thing runs like a scalded dog, man. I'm talking about for real. This thing runs like a scalded dog. I'll give you guys a quick look around. As you guys can see, man, this thing needs a little bit of TLC, but that's alright, because that's what we do here on Country Boy Diesel, man. We fix these things up. But other than the little bit of TLC this thing needs, man, this thing runs good, man. It's fully bulletproof. We paid the guy $3,800 for a fully bulletproof engine. So, man, I'd say that's a pretty good deal right there. Well, alright guys, we're about to put this thing on the trailer, man. We will see you guys back on the road. Alrighty guys, we're gonna start this thing up, man. Let you guys see how this thing sounds, man. She purrs. Fired up pretty quickly, y'all. Fully bulletproof engine. Just needs a little bit of touch, love, and care. Got the dually. And man, we didn't know this thing was straight piped, man, but this thing is straight pipe. Check this thing out. Hey man, y'all know how it is on this channel, man. That's some country boy shit right there. You know how the fuck going on. Hey man, you guys know how it is on this channel, man. That's some country boy shit right there.
The producer.